When an aircraft engine starts running, you may hear a sound as if some parts are loose or moving around. In reality, that loose component is the engine blades, which are one of the most critical parts. This looseness is not a flaw, it is intentionally designed by engineers. In the early days of aviation, engineers worked hard to secure the blades as tightly as possible and tried to make every blade perfectly balanced. However, they discovered that after each flight, the blades would inevitably suffer some degree of damage. Even minor damage, when combined with high-speed rotation, could become significantly amplified. This would negatively affect the engine's performance and in severe cases, could even cause the blades to break. Wang Zhu, the first chief engineer at Boeing, came up with a solution. He suggested that since it is impossible to keep every blade perfectly balanced at all times, it would be better to allow a small amount of movement for each blade. When the engine spins at high speed, blades with this slight freedom of movement can adjust themselves to compensate for any imbalance caused by damage. This approach is like allowing the blades to self-correct their balance, restoring the engine's stability and enabling aircraft to fly higher and farther as they do today.